Hello and a very warm welcome to LWS. Today I'm going to take up another topic which is very much in the news और ये conference है which is going to be held in October in India. तो उसके बारे में कुछ basic सी information है जो आज news में आई है which I wanted to share it with you all. तो पहली बात है क्या है? It is Global India AI Conference. What is it? Global India AI Conference, and it is said that India will host the first edition of this conference, that is the Global India AI Conference in October. Participant इस conference में कौन लोग participate करेंगे? Leading players of AI industry, that is artificial intelligence industry, various investors, various startups जो इस field से related हैं, which are going to be using AI and which are developing AI. तो वो सभी will be participating in the conference. And of course different researchers will be a part of this conference. Next, this conference is going to cover topics, a wide range of topics AI से related, because we all know आगे चल के technology is going to play a major role in our lives in various spheres of our life, right? So AI is going to be a vital player हमारी life में in different pockets, in governance, in industry, in business, right? तो इसी से रिलेटेड काफ़ी सारे टॉपिक्स इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में डिस्कस होंगे, राइट? अब इंक्लूडिंग नेक्स्ट जनरेशनल लर्निंग एंड फाउंडेशनल एआई मॉडल्स, नेक्स्ट जनरेशनल लर्निंग एंड फाउंडेशनल एआई मॉडल्स, वेरियस एआई एप्लीकेशंस एक्सेट्रा. तो ये टॉपिक्स के अलावा भी बहुत सारे और टॉपिक्स विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस. देन इट विल ऑल्सो शोकेस initiatives like DI Bhashini, then you have India Datasets Program, India AI Future Design Program for startups, etc. So all these initiatives which India has taken in regards to AI, these will be covered in the conference. कौन से? DI Bhashini, India Datasets Program, India AI Future Design Program for startups, etc. Then this conference is based on various pillars, right? इसके supporting pillars कौन से हैं? That is ये इसकी basic foundation किस चीज़ पे बनी है? That is AI in governance, AI computing and systems, data for AI, etc. So all these things have led to the culmination of this conference, which is going to be held in October, and India will host the very first edition of this conference. So that is why it is important and it can be a part of your examination. So that was it. Thank you so much for joining and thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe and also hit that notification bell icon so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you are very well notified. Thank you so much.